as you can tell, we're in a different location than our usual location. I have a really exciting video today. I have a Plouise mystery box unboxing video for you all. My box has quite literally just arrived and is over here, so I'll show you in a minute. But before I start, I just want to say I've never ordered anything from Plouise before, so I really wanted to order something from the website. And I seen that they had the mystery boxes on there, and the mystery boxes are £30 with a value of £60. So I got 2 mystery boxes, so in theory everything in here should be to the value of £120, so we will see. This is what my box looked like. I have opened my box and pulled the label off, but I've not unboxed it, so I don't know what's in it, and I'm really excited to see what's in it. I'd like to see a palette, and I'd also like to see one of the Juicy Lip products. So I've never bought anything from Plouise. I've always wanted to try their stuff. I think their packaging is beautiful. It is very over the top, but I really like it. And this is what the box looks like. So I ordered 2 boxes like I said, and I think they've put everything in the one box, which I don't really mind. I've never ordered anything from Plouise, so I'm really excited. Hopefully these stuff I will like, because I'm not very good at staging my reaction, so if I don't like it, I think that will transpire on the video, and I don't really want to talk much longer. I just really want to unbox this, so I'm going to get started. So I'm opening it up, and this is what I am seeing. So as I say, this is the contents worth of 2 boxes, so £60, and I'm seeing some big products, so I don't really know where to start. I'll start off with smaller products. So the first thing I have is a liquid blush. Looks like that, and it is in the shade Peach Puff. That looks really interesting. I will use that. Then I have, I see 2 products I'm really excited for, so I'm just going to take one at first. I've got this. This is definitely something I really wanted, actually. This is the lip product. So this has the lip oil and also the lip mask, I believe. But this is one of Plouise's iconic products, and this is in mocha, so coffee flavoured. I think some people probably wouldn't like this, but I don't mind having this because I like coffee. So yeah, it has the lip oil and I believe like the lip conditioner. So that's one product. This is £30 or around £30 on its own. I think it's something like 25, 26, but yeah, this is nearly the whole value of one box. Then I have this too. So this is the Juicy Drip. Ooh, this is in White Night. So is this white chocolate? Yeah, so this will be in white chocolate. What does this have in it? Okay, so this has then the lip oil and then the lip mask. No, lip oil, lip conditioner, and then this has the lip scrub and the lip mask. So very similar packaging. Lip mask, lip scrub, lip conditioner and lip oil. So that's really exciting that I got 2 of the Juicy Lip products. Else, then I've got an eyeliner, and this looks like it's going to be in my favourite shade. This is in Fancy Pantsy. I think it's going to be purple, so that, I'm going off the packaging, I think it's going to be purple, so that is really exciting. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's purple and pink. Well, is this pink or is this purple? I would say this is like a pinky purple, but got a dark shade of purple and then a lighter shade of purple. I think it's just a liquid eyeliner. Swatch that one. Then I'll swatch this side. Yeah, it is purple and pink. Oh, I really like that. They're the 2 colours swatched. Hopefully you can see them okay. I really like that. Okay, so that's the third thing I got. Then I got, it looks like to be 2 bigger products here. So let's see what they are. So, I got the Wedding XL palette. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm going to try to open it now. I've seen this palette as well. The Plouise palettes range from like, I think it's, the smaller ones are about 17 and the big ones can go up to, I believe, around £40. So they're definitely not super affordable, but look at that packaging. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. I'm gonna remove the slip. Wow. That is stunning. I love it. Okay, so that's the first palette I got, and I think I have a feeling this is quite a new palette. Like I say, I'm not super familiar with P. Louise. I just know her products, especially her eyeshadow palettes, are more expensive, but I love that. I think it says currently on sale on the website for like £25 maybe, I'm not sure, but really like that. And so I've gotten that in a mystery box is amazing. So that's the first thing. I'm gonna put that back in its case for now. I'm like so excited. I don't know if it's transpiring within this video, but I'm really excited. I've been waiting in all day today, waiting for this mystery box, looking out the window for the Royal Mail every 20 minutes. So I am so excited. I can't. It will just have to stay like that for now. I can't fully close it, but I think that's because I'm quite excited. And then I have what looks to be another palette. What's this one? This is the eyeshadow palette. When life gets blurry, adjust your focus, identify your worth. Okay. Yeah, I think this is another eyeshadow palette. Very exciting. Let's see. And then I've seen these online and it has a light there, so like you can turn it on and off. There is me. Let's turn that off. And then let's put those colours. Oh, this is stunning as well. This is what the plastic wallet looks like on this one. So this one says identify your worth. This is what this one looks like. So that one has writing and the other one didn't, but this is what this one looks like. Beautiful neutrals. And the mirror on this one feels quite heavy though, I will say, compared to the other one. And this is what it looks like. Wow. I feel like I want to swatch some, but equally I don't want to swatch them because they just look so pristine and beautiful. I'll swatch one of the shades. Ooh, that's one. That is that shade. So you could use these as highlighters, but you could also use these as eyeshadow. I'd probably use that as a highlighter, and I'd probably use that as an eyeshadow. But that is what that one looks like swatch. That was a very light swatch also. I'm gonna put that back in its box and then I will discuss my thoughts. I think that's everything. I'm just then going to take the plastic out of the box just to make sure I'm not missing anything. I don't think I am, but I just want to double check. Okay, no, I'm not. So I got two really big palettes, and these are about, like I said, I think these are about £20 to £30, if not more each. So I got two eyeshadow palettes. I got a eyeliner, which I'll put back in his box. I got one juicy lip, two juicy lips, and then I got a liquid blush. So I got three. I got 6 products. Yes, I got 6 products in total for £60, which means that each product has worked out at £10, which is unbeatable value. I am so impressed. I don't know how, like, if my excitement is translating on video. I am really impressed. I am so happy with every single thing I got. I was a bit worried to film this video as like an actual live unboxing in case the stuff wasn't anything that I liked, but I am thoroughly impressed. This video isn't sponsored. I'm just average consumer who's just purchased 2 mystery boxes because they looked amazing, and my box is definitely amazing. I am so happy. I'm kind of tempted to buy another one, I'm not gonna lie. Don't know if I will. Like I say, this is 2 boxes, but even if I had bought one of the boxes and I got one of the Juicy Lips and one of the palettes, I would have been really impressed. So as I say, that makes each product £10, which is basically drugstore value. I am so happy. I am so excited to play with these new products, and yeah, I kind of want to open one and have a look. I'm gonna open one because I've seen these a lot, and now I actually have one, so I'm gonna open it. Give me 2 seconds. I just need to find some scissors. Yeah, I think a lot of people probably wouldn't like this one because this one's coffee scented or coffee flavoured, but I don't mind coffee, and I know this is quite an iconic product for Plouise, so I'm more than happy to get one of these in any scent, to be honest. I'm going to put the rubbish on the floor and then pick it up, so look at that. Ah, it's so sweet, I love it. As you can see, her packaging is stunning, really innovative, such great attention to detail. Yeah. Okay. Can't smell the coffee scent yet, but that is what they look like. So we have the, which one's this? This is the lip oil and then the lip conditioner. So have a look at the lip oil. I think once I show you all the packaging, you will agree how cute it is. It just looks like this. I've seen the packaging online. It's pink, it has a little crown on it, and I really want to smell this to see if it smells like coffee. I also might put some on because I haven't got any lip product on currently. Ooh, that does indeed smell like coffee. It's a mocha, and I think a mocha's coffee and chocolate, isn't it? So this should smell like coffee and chocolate. I just smell coffee, but it's quite nice. Reminds me a bit of Costa. So it's just a doe foot applicator. I'm going to do a swatch to see if there's any colour on that. No, not really any colour. But I'm going to put some on because I haven't got anything on my lips right now. It does taste a bit like coffee, even though I don't think you're meant to eat these, but yeah, so that's what that looks like. I'm just going to try and put it back in the box now. I'm not going to open the other lip drip for now, but I will open that at some point, probably once I've used these 2 products up, just because I don't want to open and use everything until I'm needing to use stuff. But yeah, that was my box. I absolutely love it. I think I have got 2 amazing box worths of products here. 10 out of 10. My boxes were amazing. As you can see, I am so happy. I don't know what the other boxes would look like because it's a complete mystery, so, but I definitely think I got the value of £120 because these are all products that I will use, so I am very happy as a customer. So hopefully you've enjoyed my video. I had the best time unboxing it, and I really love every single product I got, so thank you all so much for watching. I just wanted to do a unboxing, show you the things I got, talk a little bit about them because I have been super excited. I've been waiting in all day for this parcel to arrive, so thank you all for watching. If you've purchased a Plouise mystery box, let me know your thoughts, what products you got, and feel free to let me know your thoughts on the 2 boxes that I got. Like I said, I think I did amazing. I got amazing stuff, but I'd love to know your thoughts. So thank you all for watching, and I will speak to you all in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys.